around and across to the other side where the CNE is located. It's pretty deep and dark under here. Places like this aren't very safe. Best to be escorted with a friend or family. You can imagine lots of bad things probably going out of places like this. Pretty steep stairwell.
Down into the tunnels of Toronto, where known gangsters have been hiding around corners sometimes.
Good thing we're packing. Come on. Places like this, you gotta be tough.
Oh, there's one of them bad guys there. Hey, oh, what's going on? Let's go, let's get out of here, they're after us.
Oh, we gotta get to the bike show, quick.
I'm not running from no gangster. Bang, bang, bang. Okay, we'll just walk out of here real calm.
Yeah.
They'll never know we just smoked that gangster.
It's Godmother.
Oh, wow. It's the cat lady from the Simpsons up the stairs. Oh, there's a beautiful girl walking up the stairs. Oh, holding up her pants. Off to the bike show.
Pretty empty around here this time of year.
That was wild, but we made it through the tunnel.
Woo. Only
Oh, pretty girl.
Only a couple
Pretty
bullet
girl.
wounds. I'll be all right. Here we are at the exhibition. As you can see, this place is huge.
Not much happening here today other than the bike show, folks, but hey, I'm sure there'll be lots of people inside. Ooh, watch out, there's coppers. Coppermobile. Oh, there's pretty girl again.
Hey, if you guys look over here, you get a pretty good shot of the CN Tower. Keep your eyes out for them. Come on, there's the CN Tower.
Okay, let's check it out. Oh, there's CN Tower all the distance.
My sister Hot Pants Sam resides up there.
There's a Torontonian. And we'll get back to you when we get to the doors of the bike show 2010.